Naitanong mo na ba sa iyong sarili ang "Now what?" pagkatapos ng isang malaking yugto sa buhay tulad ng graduation? Para sa mabungang buhay, tayo na po at magkape at pandasal. We often stand around waiting for a booming voice from the sky to tell us exactly what to do next. In the ascension, the disciples are doing exactly that until they are reminded that the mission is already in motion. This is the moment we move from being students to ambassadors. It's a crucial shift because many of us feel like spiritual interns, thinking we need more experience before we can represent Christ. But Jesus sent the disciples even while they doubted. He isn't looking for perfect experts. He's looking for willing partners. You have all the authority you need because He is with you. We don't have to wait for a stable life to start living a significant one. Kaya manalangin po tayo. Panginoong Jesus, puspusin mo kami ng iyong espiritu upang hindi kami magdalawang isip maging saksi mo sa paglilingkod sa aming komunidad. Amen.